नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईबीपीएस क्लर्क का मॉक टेस्ट, ठीक है। और ये मॉक टेस्ट हम लोग ऑलिव बोर्ड पर करने वाले हैं। अभी हम लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट किए हैं मॉक टेस्ट 4 नंबर तक, तो अभी आज हम लोग करेंगे 5th नंबर का मॉक अटेम्प्ट। और दोस्तों आप भी अपना स्कोर कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना अगर आपने अटेम्प्ट किया हो तो, ठीक है। तो चलिए दोस्तों करते हैं स्टार्ट। ओके, ठीक है। एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। ओके ओके, ठीक है। इसको बाद में करेंगे। इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के लिए। नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट, P8 नॉर्थ ऑफ Q, P8 नॉर्थ ऑफ Q and 6 meter east of R. S is equidistance from P and R. S is to the west of P, point P. S is to the west of point P. T is equidistance from P and Q. T is equidistance from P and Q. T is north of Q, ठीक है। shortest possible distance between S and T, 5 meter. Shortest possible distance between R and Q, 10 meters. Sprich, Sprechh. Arrange in alphabetical form left to right. How many letters remain in the same place? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. None, 0. AB, ACB, true. GE, GFE, both. EC, EA, false. DA, DBHEA, only 2. MN, MN, true. KN, KLMN, both. Shobd logically follows. No, only a few color are roses. All flora are roses. At least some flora are colors. All colors can never be roses. All colors can never be roses. Only 2. Only 2 follows. Only a few ships are river. Only a few ships are river. All boats are ship. Some boats can be river. Some ships are boat, or both. Only a few trees are plant. Only a few trees are plant. All grass are plant. अरे यार क्या, only a few trees are plant. All grass are plant. Some plant are grass. All grass can be trees. Both. ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, बाद में करेंगे। पजल तो काफी बड़ी बड़ी इसमें। डेस्टिनी, DESTINY, डेस्टिनी। फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड, EFGHIJ, STUSTUVW, UVW, JKLM, JKOPQRS, 2. 7 people, ठीक है। शिप पेन वीडियो शो, शिप पेन वीडियो शो। माउस लैपटॉप पेन कंप्यूटर, माउस लैपटॉप पेन कंप्यूटर। वीडियो लैपटॉप माउस फाइल, वीडियो लैपटॉप माउस फाइल। और लाइफ लाइफ लाइफ। MPBD, MPBD, EMGTK, MGTK GTDA लाइफ PS ना PSP शिप और शो इधर शिप इधर शो पेन M लाइफ A 6 बिल्डिंग हैव डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ 2 मार्क्स के लिए इसको बाद में करेंगे इसे करेंगे पहले 7 पीपल सेम पार्टी 29 ऑफ द मंथ जनवरी टू अगस्त जनवरी फरवरी मार्च अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त ठीक है no 2 people have party on the same day G has party one of the months before me 1 person has party between G and B 2 people have party between the one who has party in the month May month and C May month C May month C ठीक है A has party immediately before F E does not have party in July C has party after May C has party after May D has party immediately before G D has party immediately before G ठीक है C G D G B A F okay D has party immediately before G एक मिनट दोस्तों ठीक है no 2 people have party on the same day G has party in the one of the months before May okay only 1 person has party between G and B 2 person have party between the one on the month of May and C May and C 2 people ठीक है C 2 people D has party immediately before G G D X from B G X from B A E F E among the following party has May 29th E how many people have party between A and F 2 among immediately before C before C F A D G यार क्या गलत हो रहा है मेरा नो टिपिकल ऑफ पार्टी G हैज पार्टी इन द वन ऑफ द मंथ्स बिफोर मे ओके ठीक है one person has party between G and B 2 people have party between the one who has party in May and C A has party immediately before F E does not have party in July C has party after May C has party after me. D has party immediately before G's month. A of बाद में करेंगे इसे. Eight different types of charger ABCD FGH. One over there, bottommost one, topmost 8. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. ठीक है. E charges kept between G and E. C kept immediately above G. 3 charges between G and E. Only two types of charger. Two types of charger are kept either above or below E. Only two. एक दो तीन G E. ठीक है. H is kept fifth position. The number of charges kept above A is same as below D. AD pair. A is not kept at bottommost position. F is kept above C. F is kept above C. F is kept in odd number position. AD. AD. Which type kept at topmost position? A. EABGC. EABGC. E. G interchange immediately above G. E. T of E GD. F E GD H B. Eight person participated. Mobile phones, each of them in circular table. 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are two types of teams: advantage, disadvantage team. Satish SP KM. Advantage SP KM and are facing toward the center, while members disadvantage Rishabh, Rakhi, Srushti and Nupur. Satish, Pitra, Karan, Mahira. Are facing out. Not more than 3% facing same direction seated to maximum 3 same. 2% sit between Nupur and Satish. Satish who sit adjacent to Rakhi. Neither Nupur nor Rishabh sit adjacent to Shruti. Neither Nupur nor Rishabh. Shruti. Neither Nupur nor Rishabh. Shruti. Karan second to the left of Rakhi. Mahira sit opposite to either Satish or Rishabh. Satish or Rishabh. सतीश ऋषभ third to the right of Pira. Rishabh third to the right of Pira. Preeta Rishabh Mahira Satish माहिरा, ठीक है। नुपुर सतीश राखी ऋषभ सृष्टि नहीं, नुपुर सतीश राखी नुपुर सतीश राखी चले प्रकरण सृष्टि नुपुर नहीं, गलत। तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ, ठीक है। प्रीता ऋषभ, ठीक है। माहिरा ठीक है। नुपुर सतीश राखी तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ, ठीक है यार। क्या प्रीता ऋषभ सृष्टि नहीं, सतीश माहिरा सतीश माहिरा नुपुर ऋषभ राखी करण सतीश राखी करण सृष्टि माहिरा, ठीक है। who among the following set opposite to सृष्टि? ऋषभ। When people sit between Rakhi and the person opposite to Satish? Two. Of Rakhi, two. प्रीता राखी माहिरा ऋषभ प्रीता, राखी, माहिरा, माहिरा, सतीश, करण, नुपूर. सचिनने फोन लावतो, त्याचा फोन आला होता. नुपूर sit third to the left of. Nupur sit third to the left of Satish. Satish who belongs to advantages. Srushti who belongs to disadvantages. रीजनिंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेकार गया दोस्तों. रीजनिंग वियर्ड ही था थोड़ा सा इसमें, बट वो नंबर टेस्ट वाला क्वेश्चन मेरा हो जाता. बट इस पजल में मैंने थोड़ा सा ईगो पे ले लिया. बट ठीक है, फाइनली बन गया था पजल. ठीक है, तो बिकॉन्ट में अच्छा करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो काफ़ी कम स्कोर आएगा. ठीक है, ओके. बाद में x² -18 -4 30 20 15 -20 -15 x is इधर 144 -3 + 11 153 141 151 152 1000 990 60 66 variation 960 48 1008 minus 920 into 50. बीचू कार्ड सॉरी पेज नंबर 960 40 48 81 minus 49 is equal to x square into 2 by 9 40 minus 8 32 16 12 570 152 minus 2 720 18 x square 125 400 81 260 minus 16 10 128 minus 171 plus x is equal to 9 50 minus 7 43 minus 9 34 minus 43 50 128. ठीक है, minus 171 plus x is equal to 9 50 minus 7 43 53 52. क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है, 5x by 3 is equal to 60 by x into 9 12 36 6 3 18 8x is equal to 8 to 5 divided by 2 बीच काट बेग भी तुमचा. ठीक है, जे 40 515 point something it takes 293 ना. (11 by 50) 750 15, 165 293, 128 16, 12 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 5 15 4 19 19 21 400 399 389 387 4 3 12 120 180 x square 343 900 minus 28 872 9 5 29 23 x5 इज इक्वल टू -32, ठीक है, -2x 32 प्लस 3 -2 0 x is less than or equal to y. 2x square minus 36 2x square minus 36 minus x square is equal to 36 plus 6 minus 6 6 minus x is greater than or equal to y. 2 na minus 14 minus 12 x is greater than y. ठीक है, 22 चौक 88 प्लस 11 माइनस 8 चौक 72 minus 9 minus 8 x is greater than or equal to y. 2x square minus 9x minus 5 शिदा 11 10 y, ठीक है, 10 10 1 plus 10 minus 1 x is less than or equal to y. मीडियम साइज लार्ज है साइज, ठीक है, VWXYZ क्रसो मीडियम 2000 900 1200 2100 2400 1500 1800 1400 total number of medium and large size W is what approximately how much percent of total number of medium and large V. 31 70 minus something sum of number of medium size shirt XYZ 3 4000 900 5000 ratio of large XY respectively 4:3 एवरेज ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय झेड 1500, 4500, 30 9 1400. ठीक है. स्मॉल साइज 1400. डिफरेंस बिटवीन टोटल नंबर ऑफ मीडियम साइज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय ब्रांड वी एंड जेड 300. देयर आर 5 हॉस्पिटल PQRST. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर्स इन P is 16 लेस देन नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर इन G. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर इन S to that of T 7:6. Number of doctors in R is 20% less than P. The average number of doctors in PST 96. P plus S plus T 288. Total number of doctors in hospital PQR 200. PQR 200. Number of doctors in P is 16 less than doctors in T. 5Y 5Y minus 6x minus 5y is equal to 16. 13x 5y plus 13x plus 5y 13x plus 5y is equal to 288. 19x is equal to 290 14 304 16. x is equal to 16. 96 STP 200 208 T 288 08 80 P80 16 16 64 and number of hospital in P is 16 less than 144 50 50 56. And the ratio of number of doctors in P to doctors in S 5:7. The ratio of number of male doctors female doctors in QR 4:3. 56 64 4:3 male female 3:5 female doctors in Q and R 24% in art is 64. Number of nurses in T is 62.5 more than that of doctors in it. 60 156. What percent the number of doctors in Q is less than number of doctors in R 64 12.5%. Ratio of number of Ronaldo in Hungary. Ratio of number of score scored by Ronaldo in Hungary and 1:3. Ratio of goals scored by him in Madrid and Spain. Madrid and Spain 2:5. He scored 200 goals for Madrid. And for Espanyol 300. And the ratio of goals scored by Hungary and Spain 1:5. At present, the age of man is 3 times the age of his son, 2 times the age of his daughter, and 2 times the age of his daughter. After 4 years, the age of man will be 4 years more than sum of percentage of son and daughter. After 4 years, 6x plus 4 5x plus 8 6x plus 4 minus 5x minus 8 is equal to x is equal to minus क्या है minus 4 8. Find the sum of their ages 2 year hence. 5 40 24 11 11 88 88 6 8 14 92 29 A and B fill a X liter tank by 2 consecutive containers such that A fills 5 liter water in 3 minutes. ठीक है 5 3 15 15 plus 3 15. Sum of two number x plus y 108 108. ठीक है. If sum of 5 times of x and 7 times of y 660, then what is the value of 5x? 5x plus 5y 540 minus plus minus plus minus plus minus minus 2y is equal to 120 60 y is equal to 60. Then what is the value of y? 60. Speed of cruise v is equal to 20. If the time taken by cruise to cover certain distance in downstream is equal to time taken by cruise to going upstream for 1/3 of the distance going downstream. ठीक है. Cruise to cover certain distance in downstream. One-third of the distance covered (20 minus s). ठीक है. 60 minus 3s is equal to 20 plus s. 40 is equal to 4s 10. ठीक है 20 100% 200%. ठीक है. Priya buys an old computer 8600 and spends tea on repairing. If he sells computer at 12,600 and earns a profit of 20%, 1 by 5 to 6 5 7 12 21 5 1050 10,500 8,600 00 15 19 रुपये. अब इन्वेस्टेड 54,000 for 5 years in a cheat fund for a simple interest and got a total amount 6% 70,000. चौपन 60 16 23 x 16,000. ठीक है. how much money approximately he would have got if he had invested the same amount for 2 years compounded interest. Two years, no. Suman Aman Nareen invested partnership. Sources of the 89. Aman left after 8 months. Naran left after further 2 months. And respective ratio of share of Suman, Aman and Naren 12. अठ्ठेचाळीस 45 9 45. ठीक है 12 8 9. For how many months Suman invested his money? Okay. ठीक है 12 by 8 by 10 1. ठीक है 1 5. अरे यार क्या कर रहे हैं यार. ठीक है 1 मिनट दोस्तों. तो दोस्तों रिज्यूम करते हैं. ठीक है ओके. ग्रीन एनर्जी 10 questions. The restaurant that has been running since 1950 is closing its business today since there was a colorful smell of gas. There was a distinct smell of gas. Distinct. The most successful business owners are the ones who create their employees over profit. Prioritize. Of the following grammatically, choose the option provides. ठीक है. Egypt will start growing basmati rice in a concern for India in the long term. In what could turn out to be a concern for India in long term, Egypt will start growing basmati rice. ठीक है. And in market, see, Egypt will start growing basmati rice. Turn out to be a concern for India in the long term. Egypt will start growing basmati rice and market it next year. ED. Facing a global depression, governments are right to focus on creating jobs at home and promoting competitiveness. Information about evolutionary events. CB. Hundreds of millions of years ago is mainly gleaned from fossils. Information about evolutionary events. Hundreds of millions of years ago. Naive observer. live observer was allowed to watch the model retrieve food from the different route in each chain. Retrieve food from Ella complained that the company never gave her any recognition straight after your last cigarette. Your body will begin to cleanse itself of tobacco. Cigarette. We got to look at all these loose ends and satisfy ourselves about them before we fix a meeting with our clients. The travelers now resumed their Japan is an island country surrounded by the sea on all its sides. Japan is an island country. Japan is the island country surrounded by the sea on all its sides. Tom finished reading and placed the book in the small table beside his chair. Besides his chair. It is not difficult to capture the carpenters tried to keep the dust level down, but it was impossible to avoid all of it. We grow neither better nor worse. We grow neither. India's second largest airport is under severe stress and air travelers are unhappy. Minor stress. Minor. The accident has affected his nerve bundles. Water bundles are delivered to shops regularly. My students are learning how to install a free database application on their computer. Creativity is the ability to combine known elements in a new and unusual way. 1 and 3. I have done all my homework and now I am completely free until Monday. It is a world records in the entire history of the event. It is a world record. This instrument records the voices of insects. His records are clean. Green energy is any energy that energy type According to the passage, which of the following is true? Iceland has easy access to hydropower resources. तो geothermal resources वन तो नहीं है. Biofuel would be able to supply more than a quarter of the world's need for transportation fuel. Biofuel would be supply more than a quarter. More than of the following sources of green energy is not mentioned in the passage? Wind power, according to the passage, what are the uses of solar power? Solar power is using photovoltaic cell. Solar power is also used to heat buildings and for no hot water as well as for cooking and lighting. To increase the temperature in the building, disinfect potable water. One and two. If the following is not completely a green energy. This means that not all resources used by renewable energy industry are green. Clean energy. Solar power. What is the difference between green energy and clean energy? Why biomass cannot categorize as clean energy? Releases greenhouse gases. As per the passage, which of the following decide effectiveness of green energy? The following antonym of replenished. Green energy sources are usually naturally replenished. Suited A. Flow of water in rivers, streams, dams or elsewhere to produce energy. Synonym of reliant. To access geothermal resource, it is a resource that is reliant on location for ease of use. Effectiveness of green energy. Methane, a naive observer, was allowed to watch the model. Allowed to watch the model in each chain. Japan is an island country surrounded by the sea on all its sides. The carpenters tried us. ठीक है दोस्तों, अभी इस मॉक में काफ़ी कम स्कोर रहेगा क्योंकि इसमें रीजनिंग काफ़ी अटेम्प्ट कम हुए रीजनिंग में, और क्वांट में भी 1-2 अटेम्प्ट और हो सकते थे। बाकी देखते हैं एक्यूरेसी का क्या रहता है। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो दोस्तों इस मॉक में मेरा स्कोर बना है 68.50, 87% एक्यूरेसी रही। एक्यूरेसी काफ़ी कम रही, इसमें 10 क्वेश्चंस गलत हुए मेरे। ठीक है, तो दोस्तों इसमें रीजनिंग में मैंने क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट किए थे 23, उसमें से 22 सही है, एक गलत हुआ। तो यहाँ पर स्कोर बना रीजनिंग में 21.75, और परसेंटाइल भी काफ़ी कम रहा। मेरा अल्फा नंबर टेस्ट वाला क्वेश्चन हो सकता था, बट वो मेरे से हुआ नहीं। ठीक है, क्वांट में 31 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किए थे, और इसमें से एक गलत हुआ। 29.75 स्कोर बना, 87 परसेंटाइल। इंग्लिश में 27 किए थे अटेम्प्ट, इसमें से 8 गलत हुए, 17 स्कोर बना। ओवरऑल मेरा स्कोर बना है 68.50, और परसेंटाइल 69.6। तो काफ़ी दिनों के बाद में इतना कम परसेंटाइल बना। थोड़ा सा रीजनिंग का लेवल दोस्तों इसका मुझे मतलब थोड़ा सा बेकार लगा। ऐसा बिल्कुल एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा, क्लर्क में बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा। और थोड़े से वियर्ड टाइप के पजल थे, इजी थे पजल, लेकिन थोड़े से अलग थे। प्रीलिम्स में और आईबीपीएस क्लर्क में ऐसा नहीं आएगा। लेकिन क्वांट का लेवल अच्छा था दोस्तों, इंग्लिश का लेवल भी अच्छा था। ठीक है, तो स्कोर काफ़ी, परसेंटाइल भी काफ़ी कम है। ठीक है, तो आप भी अपना स्कोर कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।